In this video, we will do min-term designation, or you can say shorthand min-term notation. Okay, min-term designation is another way to represent a min-term. The steps in this, few steps will be involved if you have to write a min-term designation. Okay, step 1 will be, first of all, you will copy the original terms. Then you will substitute zeros for barred letters and ones for non-barred letters. Means for simple literal or variable you will be writing 1, and for complemented literal you will be writing 0. Now express decimal equivalent of binary word as a subscript of a small letter m. This letter you will be using to write the min-term designation. Okay, and for notation of min-term you will be using small m. Okay, and you have to express the decimal equivalent of the binary word you will be getting after substituting zeros for barred letters and ones for non-barred letters. For example, suppose you have to find the min-term designation of x, y bar, z bar. Then you will follow the steps. First step will be, you will be copy the original form or original term. That is x, y bar, z bar. Now the second step, you will substitute zeros for barred letters, 0 for barred letters, complemented letters, and 1 for uncomplimented, okay, non-barred letter. So we have written, substituted x with 1 because it's non-barred, okay, 1, and barred by 0. So we are getting 1 0 0, and this one is the decimal equivalent of this binary word. You are getting a binary number, okay, then you have to write the decimal equivalent of this binary word, that is 4. You have done this number conversion, number system in class 11th, how to convert a binary number into decimal, like this. This is the way you can calculate the decimal equivalent of binary number, okay, by multiplying the binary digits with the base number of binary system is 2. So these are the place values. So using this way you will be calculating the decimal equivalent of this binary word 100, that will be 4. So the min-term designation will be small m subscript 4. This is the min-term designation of x, y bar, z bar. Okay, fine. Now suppose you have to calculate the min-term designation of a, b bar, c, d bar. What will be the first step? You will copy down the original term. This is the original term I have copied, okay. Now you will substitute uncomplimented variable with 1. So a 1, b bar, this will be 0, c 1, d bar 0, okay. Now 1 0 1 0, what will be the decimal equivalent of this? Calculate. 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. So 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus again 0, okay. So 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So the min-term designation will be small m subscript 10, okay. Min-term designation of a, b bar, c, d bar will be small m subscript 10. Fine.